Hey everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and in this Technology Connections video, we are taking a look at what FITCAMX sent me. Now, we've all heard of dash cams, of course, but I don't think we've heard of dash cams in this sense before. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the box and take a look, but let's take a look at the box first. Everything that it has. So far, it looks like a pretty typical dash cam, but you'll notice the size of the box. It's pretty big, and I believe is because of the way it is, the way it's designed rather. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the box and we're going to take a look inside. All right, got my knife. We're going to break the seal here. Like that. And we're going to turn this box back over. And we are going to go ahead and open it up. Looks like we have another box in here. Doesn't look very... Okay, I see. I got you. It's like a paperboard box. All right. So what do we have in here? It looks to me like this is probably part of the camera. I would imagine this is probably the rear-facing camera that mounts into the rear window. Has some mounting clips and all that kind of stuff. And this looks like a suction cup mount, maybe. But here's what's in it that's really interesting to me behind that bubble wrap. Everything you get also, of course, is your user manual. It's this. Well, what in the world is this, do you say? Well, here is the front-facing camera. And essentially, what we do is we replace in our Hyundai Ioniq 5, I'm going to replace or swap out this, our old rearview mirror cover, hides the sensors and all that kind of stuff for the driving assist and things like that, lane departure. And this is going to plug into its place through these connectors here and essentially replace what is in place now. So it's going to look like an OEM installation, but it's going to house the new dash cam. So that is going to be quite a wild install. Stay tuned for that because we will be installing that soon. All right, so here is everything that's contained within this box. So we get the main actual housing unit with its connectors. We've got 7 wire harness clips, a puller tool, a 64 gigabyte Lexar SD card, the SD card reader, the Y adapter. We have the rear backup camera with its associated connectors. We have the flexible suction cup mount with the phone mount. And all of that is included with this particular one. It is important to note, however, if you buy the dash cam that only comes with the front camera, you cannot later add the rear camera. It is explicitly stated in the manual and on the website that this has a different circuit board, but you can buy the dual camera version and install this later, of course. But I think that's important to note in there. But anyway, this is everything that you get. All of the tooling, all of the equipment, everything you need for an install and for down the road maintenance, especially with the card reader. I think it can hold up to a 256 gigabyte memory card. All right, so there we go. Stay tuned later. We're going to be doing the installation video, so you'll want to watch that. As for this video, I think that about does it. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.